are similar to the project properties, but there is some limited properties. Okay, for example, whatever changes we have made in a project properties, right, like component, wire number, and all that stuff, the same options we will have in the drawing also. Okay, but these are drawing specific. Okay, whatever configuration we have made, that is project specific. So here after whatever drawings you are going to add, those drawings will have the properties of which you have set in the project. Okay, but you can have individual properties as well. Okay, for example, if I right click on this drawing and if I go to the properties and drawing properties, you might see the same options over here, right? But the options are limited. Okay, and we are able to change the format for this current drawing only. Okay, not for all the drawings. Okay, let's say in this panel there could be 10 drawings. Okay, from this 10 drawings you can change the drawing properties, these many properties, for that specific single drawing only. Okay, like here it says a component, tagging is the same, %f, %10, but here you can use sequential one. Okay, for this drawing only. Then for wire numbers, you can, instead of this, you can use the sequential again. For cross referencing, you can keep it as it is, or you can make changes. Right here for style, you can set it to 3. So this will applicable only for drawing number 3. Okay, for other drawings it will come 2, because for a project we set it to the 2. Similarly for drawing format, you can, by default it is coming horizontal because for a project it is set to horizontal, but we can make vertical for this particular drawing only. Okay, before starting to work in this particular drawing. Okay, this setting has to be done before working. Okay, and then you can click on OK. And now if you try to insert the ladder, see it is coming vertical. Expected that it should come horizontal. Or when you try to generate the wire numbers, right, now it should start with 1 here, you can say. But here also in the runtime also you can make changes. Okay, so these are just default things. By default it is set to sequential. Now if you run drawing white, it will be generating this kind of wire numbers, right? This component tag also will be get changed if we have made some. Right here it is default, right? So as we made it as sequential, now if I update this particular drawing, this PB204 will become a PB1. Update, what I want to update, component update and retag, right? Do all okay. See, this is now PB1 because we have made changes to the format of the specific drawing. Okay, and the other things are as it is. Okay, this drawing settings, these things we already know. Okay, so that is all about the drawing properties. Any difficulties here? Because everything is the same as we discussed in a project, same thing is there. The difference is that this is specific to this particular drawing only. This is limited to temp.dwg. Okay, and whatever settings we have made here in the project, these will be applicable for all the drawings if you have not modified their settings. Okay, if you have applied this thing, apply project defaults. Okay, or you can have custom one. Understood?